Back in today's video, we're going to show you how to use the Syslog Klib. So Klibs and Nanos, you can think of them as like plugins to your application. There's many times when you want to run third-party kind of software, not really have to modify your application. So once again, if we look at our little web server here, what we're doing is, basically every time we get this request, we're gonna print out, the message yo. And if we look at our config.json, what we've done here is included the Syslog Klib. And basically what this does is it just captures all the standard out, standard error, and ships it off to wherever the server is. In this case, since we're running it in user mode, we've just used the address 2.0.2.2. Obviously in prod, you set this to whatever your syslog is. You can also do the server underscore port here, and that will set it to a different port. Okay, so what we can do now is we'll go to another window, and I'm using this, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is kind of a cool little piece of software I found, Econite D. And essentially it's just a little syslog server. This is running locally, not in a Unikernel. We set it to listen on the any interface because by default it only listens on localhost, and then we're using the port 514, which is the default port, and we're using UDP. So we go ahead and set that up, and that is running, right? Okay, we switch back over to our server here, if I can learn how to type at all. Set to 8083. Do Z. Okay, so we have this up and running, and let's go ahead and just hit it with a couple of requests. It says welcome to my website, welcome to my website. We get the corresponding yo message. We flip back over here, we can see that our index is created, and let's just go to the interface here. And so here we just put in the wildcard, and you can kind of see that it's collecting our messages. So just again, a quick little simple tutorial on how you can instrument syslog using the Syslog Klib with your Nanos Unikernels. Catch you next episode.